Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Network Genius. So today in this video we'll cover the RIP version 2 configuration with 3 routers. So let's start. First of all, we will take 3 routers, 3 switches and 6 PCs. Now we'll connect all these devices with each other, both PCs with switch with router, router to router. So in the middle router there is no ports, free port available. We have to add one port here, zoom in, power off here. Ethernet 020. Okay. Now I will provide IP addresses to the PCs. LANs. Here I will take 192.168.10.2. As we all know, we will take 10.1 as default gateway. 10.1. In the second PC, I will take 10.3. 10.1 as default gateway. In the middle network, I will take 192.168.20.2 and default gateway 20.1. In second PC, I will take 20.3, 20.1. Here I will take 192.168.30.2, default gateway 30.1, 30.3, 30.1. Okay, so it's done, and I will write here also. Here default gateway is 10.1, in middle 20.1, here 30.1. Okay, so next step is, if we check now, if I try to ping second network or third network, ping 192.168.20.3, I will not able to ping because there is no routing protocol running in this topology. Okay, we can see it's giving RTO, request timeout. Now we'll start our configuration. No conft. First of all, I will change the host name. Here I will take Delhi. I will make these ports up. This is FH0/1 and this is FH0/0. Okay, so interface FH0/0, IP address 192.168.10.1 and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. This is the by default subnet mask of the class C IP address. No shut. Okay, this is done. I will write WAN network also. Here I will take 10.1, 10.2, here 20.2, here 20.1. Okay, so this interface is FA0/1, IP address 10.0.0.1, and the subnet mask of the class A IP address. No shut. This is FA0/1 and this interface is FA0/0. First of all, I will change host name. Here I will take Haryana. Okay, so interface FA0/0, IP address is 10.0.0.2, and the subnet mask, no shit. And second interface IP address 192.168.20.1 and the subnet mask, no shut. And the third interface, this one, Ethernet 020 interface, Ethernet 0/2/0, IP address here I will take 20.0.0.1, subnet mask, no shut. So we have done. So this interface is FA0/1, this is FA0/0. Yeah. Enable conft. First of all, I will change host name. Here I will take Lucknow. Interface FA0/1, IP address 20.0.0.2, 255.0.0.0, no shit. Exit interface FA0/0, IP address 192.168.30.1, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, no shit. Okay, so these are the basic things which we have already done. We have taken IP addresses and made the ports up. We have changed the host name also. So now we'll see the configuration of the protocol router rip. First command is router rip version 2, and here we have to take the networks which are directly connected with the router. So first command is router rip, then version 2. After that we'll take the networks which are directly connected with the router. First network is local area network 192.168.10.0, and second network is 10.0.0.0. Okay, so we have done the configuration on the router 1. Now, now we'll see for the middle router the same command, router rip version 2, and the networks which are directly connected to the middle router are the local network 192.168.20.0, and the second network 10.0.0.0, and the third network 20.0.0.0. Okay, so we have done with the configuration of the middle router also. Now we'll see for the third router, enable conft router rip version 2, and the networks which are directly connected are the local area network 192.168.30.0, and the second network 20.0.0.0. So we have done with the configuration for all three routers. Now if we'll check, we are able to ping the middle network or not. Okay, so it's pinging. If we'll see for the third network, 20.30.2, sorry, it's pinging. Show IP route, if we check, sorry, we are in config mode. Show IP route. You can see, these are directly connected. 10 network and the 192.168.10.0 network. So R means RIP. You can see R means RIP 20 and the both two networks 20.2 30.2 are directly connected with the RIP protocol. So if we run the command show IP protocols, we can see routing protocol is RIP and version 2, receive version 2. So okay, this is the configuration of RIP version 2. We'll meet in the next video with another configuration. Okay everyone, thanks for watching.